Oh! Yes! Oh no! Oh! Welcome back to Maxed Out. We are doing a challenge today.
We're doing a Roomba balloon challenge.
Roomba balloon challenge. And Max, what color are you gonna be today? Max is blue, I'm green. And we are playing for $400 worth of Robux and a $100 Amazon card. So, Minecraft edition. Winner takes all. That's $500 worth of stuff. All right, let's get it going. Let's go, Gary.
Oh yeah, okay.
Come on, attack blue. Yes, no. Where are you going? Uh-oh, get blue.
Yeah, go that way.
Oh no! Oh, it didn't. Oh, thank you.
What?
I don't know why.
What?
Oh, let me sharpen that. Uh-oh.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
oh.
You're insane.
Oh,
Yours is just riding.
oh, oh.
Yes, yours is all.
I think I need...
Oh, no.
Oh! Yes! That scared me. Oh no! Who's next? Who's next? Blue! Oh, I want those Robux. Oh, blue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, you're lucky.
Yes.
Come on. Yes, yes! Oh, you keep...
Yes.
Come on, Gary.
No.
Go, Gary!
Yes.
Oh, it's... Oh!
Oh. Oh.
All right, 3 left each. Oh man, if that knife was sharp, that would have. Uh-oh.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh, don't cut that. Oh no! Oh, thank you. That was so close. Get him, get him. Oh, get him. Slice. Slice. Yes. Oh. Are you get him. Oh.
You're
Oh.
so lucky.
You're lucky.
I said you're unlucky.
Unlucky, I think. Oh, no, don't cut that. I'm gonna add some more sharpness to this Roomba. All right, he's ready now.
Scary Roomba. Red.
Oh no! Oh! 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 Don't wreck that. Oh. 2-2. Blue. Here. Oh no! Watch your feet. Oh! Blue. Yes! Oh! How did that cut?
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Ew.
Good thing.
Oh! Ooh.
Oh.
Here. Uh-oh.
Right there.
Oh no!
Yes.
No!
What are you doing?
Oh no!
Turn.
Oh! Oh! I tried to save you. No! Oh! No! Oh! Oh! It's cutting up that. Oh, that knife's gonna fall. Oh no, that knife's down. Oh no! That knife's down. What's that knife doing? Uh-oh. No. Thank you. Oh, pick up this stuff so I don't suck it up. Oh, watch my hands. Uh-oh.
Yes.
No!
Let's watch until mine.
Where's your prize? Good game.
Oh, sorry, really?
Good game. All right. Here's your prize. Here's his prize. I'll $400 of Robux.
One Amazon at the
Yeah,
back.
$100 Amazon. So, congratulations.
That was unfair.
Don't leave me hanging. I'm trying to. What do you think? I'm just like waiting for like someone to shake my hand. Congratulations, crazy man.
I always win this challenge.
Oh man, you're gonna have the coolest. I don't even know what you do with Robux. What are you gonna do?
My magic carpet.
There you go. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to keep watching our other videos. Watch your head. Don't forget also subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah.
And chicken.
Chicken. Don't forget to watch all our other videos. Thanks for watching.
Peace.